Hey guys, today let's try to do best friend poses in Snapchat Plus. All we need to do, guys, is to launch the Snapchat application. And of course, you do need to make sure that you have Snapchat Plus already basically availed on your account. Once you're already there, I want you to go on over on the specific section wherein you could access the best friend filter. And that's going to be on your profile. So once you access your profile and you've already availed Snapchat Plus, there will be an option over here to try out this new best friend filter or best friend poses. But before that, you basically do need to have a few best friends already added to your friends list. And how do you add best friends? That's going to be pretty easy. Let's go ahead and access our friends over here. Choose a specific one and tap on their profile. You can actually proceed with editing their friendship and pin them as your #1 best friend just by tapping on this 3 dots icon on the top right and then pinning them right like so. So as you would see, I do need to avail first, but preferably by you guys, you have already done this method or done that step. Now, once you're already done with doing that, I want you to go on over back to your profile. And then once you're already there, I want you to proceed with accessing again the feature to access your best friend poses. And that's going to be again located right here on the top section. Just tap on that to access your best friend poses and do it with that specific best friend. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.